Google searches today show a spike in people looking for information about the Delta variant and chickenpox. That's because newly released research shows the variant is as contagious as the chickenpox, and people who are vaccinated can still spread it to others. Joe Ripley explains how the rise in cases is causing higher demand for testing with fewer options to get a test.
Simone Page never expected to be back in this drive-through testing line in DeKalb County.
We never stopped wearing masks, gloves, sanitizer. We never stopped.
Her son, who's not vaccinated, got COVID again. This time, he contracted the Delta variant.
His eyes bloodshot red and very painful, fluids coming out of his eyes.
New research from the CDC says even those who are vaccinated can spread the Delta variant. As a result, the agency recommends vaccinated people who were exposed to COVID-19 get tested within 3 to 5 days and wear a mask for 14 days in public places indoors.
Even before the CDC updated its guidelines concerning vaccinated people who have been exposed to COVID-19 when it comes to masking and testing sites all over Metro Atlanta have seen an uptick in visits.
We were seeing fewer cases, but now with this really kind of drastic and relatively sudden rise, we are moving ahead to increase our testing capacity.
Fulton, DeKalb, Gwinnett, and Cobb all reported increases in the demand for COVID testing. In Fulton County, District Health Director Dr. Lynn Paxton said percent positivity has also grown exponentially.
The Delta variant is almost like a new virus to us. It is very different from all the other variants of COVID. It's more easily transmissible, and it causes more serious disease.
But when the focus shifted from testing to vaccinations earlier this year, it caused counties to cut a lot of testing resources. The Georgia Department of Public Health says you can still get tested at pharmacies and grocery stores, private labs, and doctors' offices. Home tests are also now widely available. But Paxton still preaches the best defense against the Delta variant.
Vaccinations are still extraordinarily effective.
We've seen vaccination rates slow in Metro Atlanta. To encourage people to get a shot, DeKalb County will give you a $50 debit card if you show up at a vaccine clinic tomorrow at South DeKalb Mall from 8 in the morning until 1. The catch, you have to be one of the first 100 people in line.